Hey, in this video I will show you 5 tips how you can speed up your Redmi Note 13 Pro. First, you have to open the settings, then move into the display, and we are going to start from the refresh rate. So I will highly recommend you to set the refresh rate for 120 Hz. So now everything will just look much smoother. Next, we have to go back from this one, and we have to navigate into the additional settings. Then move to the memory extensions and try to change for 8 gigs of the RAM, and then click to reboot your device. So now you will actually unlock additional 8 gigs of the RAM. So in this smartphone I've got 8 gigs plus another 8, we'll actually get 16 gigs of the RAM. So it will actually significantly speed up this device. Next, we have to go back from this one and we have to navigate for About Phone. We have to go into the detailed info and the specification. Now we have to keep tapping on the MIUI version until we enter the developer options. So go back from this one. Now we have to go into the additional settings, open developer options, and find animation scale. So we have to just keep scrolling until we find this space, drawing. And now it's actually recommended to put 0.5. And now you can actually see the big difference. And another tip about speed up your device is to simply uninstall all unnecessary apps. So if you have a lot of different apps, they are actually using the storage of your phone, sending notification, draining your battery, and occupied your storage. So go to the system app settings or manage apps and simply remove any application that you are not using on your smartphone. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.